Hello everyone, today we discuss about central dogma theory. The central dogma of molecular biology, sometimes Crick's central dogma after Francis Crick, who coined the term and discovered some of the principles, states that the flow of genetic information is DNA to RNA to protein. With few notable exceptions, all biological cells confirm this rule. It can be stated in very short and oversimplified manner as DNA makes RNA makes protein, which in turn facilitates the previous two steps as well as replication of DNA or simply DNA to RNA to protein. This process is therefore broken down into three steps: transcription, translation, and replication. By new knowledge of the RNA, processing a fourth step must be included: splicing. Transcription. In the transcription is the process by which the information contained in a section of DNA is transferred to a newly assembled piece of messenger RNA. It is facilitated by RNA polymerase and transcription factors. In a splicing eukaryote cells, the primary transcripts pre-mRNA is processed. One or more sequence introns are cut out. The mechanism of alternative splicing makes it possible to produce different mature mRNA molecules depending on which sequence are treated as introns and what remains as exons. In a translation, eventually this mature mRNA finds its way to ribosome where it is translated in prokaryotic cells which have nuclear compartment. The process of transcription and translation may be linked together in eukaryotic cells. The situated transcription, uh, the nucleus is usually separated from the site of translation, the cytoplasm. So the mRNA must be transported out of the nucleus into the cytoplasm, where it can be bound by ribosomes. The mRNA is read by the ribosome as triplet codons, usually beginning with AUG or initiator methionine codon downstream of the ribosome. Binding site complexes of initiation factors and elongation factors bring amino acylated transfer RNAs, tRNAs. In binding site complexes, the ribosome mRNA complex matching the codon in the mRNA to the anticodon in the tRNA, thereby adding the correct amino acid in the sequence encoding the gene. As the amino acid are linked into the growing peptide chain, begin folding into the correct information. This folding continues until the nascent polypeptide chains are released from the ribosome as a mature protein. In some cases, the new polypeptide chain requires additional processing to make a mature protein. The correct folding process is quite complex and may require other proteins called chaperone proteins. Occasionally, proteins themselves can be further spliced. When this happens, the inside discarded sections. In the replication, finally, as the final step in the central dogma, to transmit the genetic information between parents and progeny, the DNA must be replicated faithfully. Replication is carried out by the complete group of protein that superb unwind the double stranded DNA helix and using polymerase and its associated proteins copy or replicated to the master template itself to the cycle, so the cycle can repeat DNA to RNA, RNA to protein in a new generation of cells or organisms. Exception of the central dogma. The central dogma is not really a dogma in the traditional sense of the word. Like all scientific theories is modified, we learn more detail of the processes. The biggest revolution in the central dogma was the discovery of retroviruses, which transcribe RNA into DNA. The uses of special enzyme called reverse transcriptase has resulted in an exception to the central dogma: RNA to DNA, DNA to RNA, RNA to protein. Also, some virus species are so primitive that they only RNA proteins having not developed DNA with the discovery of prions. A new exception to the central dogma has been discovered. Protein is protein directly replicating themselves by making conformational changes in the other proteins. Although retrovirus, certain primitive viruses and prions may violate the central dogma, they are technically not considered alive, and the rule that all cellular life follows the central dogma still holds true. Okay, thank you.